Do you remember me? I will remember you. Sarah McLachlan, anybody? All right, we were along the side of the road. We're heading for a geocache, and we saw a strawberry field. As the Beatles say, strawberry fields forever. And we got a little tote, and we're gonna try to get some strawberries in it. So, and we're close to a geocache, so that's exciting. Daniel,
yes.
We've been out here for a while.
Yes.
I'm just kind of wondering which strawberry is the geocache? Isn't it out here?
Huh?
The geocache. I thought that maybe it was like a fake strawberry or something.
No, that's just strawberries.
What? There's no geocache out here? Then why are we out here? Oh, look, we finally found the cache area. And surprise, surprise, it has nothing to do with strawberries. But let me just say, they were delicious. Let's check it out. First thing, we got a box. And it says in German here, Ich bin ein Schlatz. I think that means I am a putz. I don't know what it means. I don't know, but it's locked. And so I think this is a part of it. Holy cow. What in the world is that? It's a bunch of pipes. And there's a rope, and the rope is locked. And there's a key. There's a key on the end of this rope, but I can't get the key to reach over there. So somehow I gotta get this to reach over here. So I think I'm gonna have to do a little bit of untwisting or untying, or I don't know. We'll figure it out. Look, on the cache page, there's instructions. Thank the Lord, oh my soul. Oh look, I got some progress. Let's see if it reaches. No. I think I have to get this rope completely off of the thing, and I need to figure it out. I'll get it.
2,000 years later.
I think I'm getting close. All right, so several moves. The cache page gave me a little bit of map that was a little bit tricky to read, but here we go. So I think this goes down like this, through here.
Wow.
Voila!
David Copperfield.
Yes. Guys, that was totally not easy at all. All right, let's see. We got the key. Let's see if we can open it up. Right. Dun, da, da, da. Voila. Geocache. Oh my gosh. You guys, that was so hard. What's the difficulty on this one?
4.5.
Oh, it's every star worth of difficulty. Nice job, Flieger. Oh, is this how to get it back?
Yeah.
So Daniel, behind you is like a retirement home, right?
That's right, yeah.
And you just convinced them to bolt some strange apparatus to their wall. How did you convince them?
Actually, that's a work we did for the Sparkasse, the bank. And the Sparkasse is supporting this retirement home. So we went together to the principal of the retirement home, and we told him about geocaching and that this geocache would attract people to come here. And then he said, "Oh, that would be cool because then our old people would have somebody to talk." And
yeah. Based on that explanation, it sounds like you could convince anybody to hide a geocache anywhere.
I guess so.
Well done, well done. So this is so sad, Daniel.
Yes.
There used to be a cache over there.
Yeah.
And you said it was really good cache.
It was a really good cache. It was an awesome cache.
So we have to have a moment of silence.
Yeah, because
Just moment of silence for it. Ready? Okay, that's enough. You were getting emotional?
yeah, a little bit. I almost cried.
He almost cried. So this is a tribute cache. It's in remembrance. We're at the new ground zero, and look what it is. Oh, it's a little like remembrance stone. Oh, look at that. This probably says in like in memory of the old cache, basically.
How good you can read German.
I know, right? I didn't even have to, I just kind of figured that out. But this is a cache too. The QR code, Daniel, you said led to a video. So if you scan that, guys, even on YouTube, it'll take you to the video. But now we have to find the cache. So this thing is solid. Solid. So I was kind of messing with this, and over in this corner, look at, guys, there's a little snail. Is the snail the cache? No, let's leave the snail alone because the cache. Do you remember me? I will remember you. Sarah McLachlan, anybody? There's the geocache. Ah, that's a great remembrance tribute cache. So cool. So tell me about the old cache that was here, because I heard it was amazing.
It was. It was a box, and if you open the box, there was a concert. You saw little concert visitors and a little band and a little light show and loud music. Because in this area, there took place a little rock festival each year. And this rock festival was also founded by the bank who's giving the money for creating these caches. And if you want to see how the old caches look, just click over here.
Right, eye in the sky, right there. Click it right there.